Selena, Class 10, Chapter 18, Tangents and Intersecting Chords. Sum number 15. Two parallel tangent of a circle meet the third tangent at point P and Q. Prove that PQ subtends right angle at the center. Joint OP, OQ, OA, OB and OC. In triangle OAP and triangle OCP, OA is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. OP is equal to OP, common, and PA is equal to PC, tangent from P. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OCP by SSS congruence. Therefore, angle APO is equal to angle CPO by CACT test. Let that be equation 1. Similarly, we can prove that triangle OCQ is congruent to triangle OBQ and therefore implies angle CQO is equal to angle BQO. Let that be equation 2. Therefore, angle APC is twice angle CPO and angle CQB is twice angle CQO. But angle APC plus angle CQB is equal to 180 degree, sum of the interior angles of transversal. But APC is equal to 2 CPO. Therefore, 2 angle CPO plus 2 angle CQO is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle CPO plus angle CQO equal to 90 degree. In triangle POQ, all the three angles sum is 180 degree, implies CPO plus angle CQO is 90 plus angle POQ equal to 180 degree, implies angle POQ equal to 90 degree. Sum number 16. ABC is a right angle triangle with AB equal to 12 cm, AC equal to 13 cm. A circle with center O is inscribed inside the triangle. Calculate the value of x. The radius of the inscribed circle. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degree. And OL is perpendicular to AB, OM is perpendicular to BC, ON is perpendicular to AC. And LBMO is a square. Therefore, LB is equal to BM is equal to OL is equal to OM is equal to ON. Let that be x. AL is equal to 12 minus x. AL is equal to AN. So, AN is also 12 minus x. Since triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. 13 square is equals to 12 square plus BC square. BC square is equals to 169 minus 144 equal to 25. BC equal to 5. So, therefore, BC is 5. MC will be 5 minus x. CN will be 5 minus x. Now, AC is AN plus NC. 12 minus x plus 5 minus x. So, AC equal to AN plus NC. 13 is equal to 12 minus x plus 5 minus x. 13 equal to 17 minus 2x. 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2 cm. Radius of the circle is 2 cm. Sum number 17. In triangle ABC, the incircle with center O touches BC, CA and AB at point P, Q and R respectively. Calculate first part angle QOR, second part angle QPR. Given angle A equal to 60 degree. The incircle touches the sides of the triangle ABC and therefore OP is perpendicular to BC, OQ is perpendicular to AC, OR is perpendicular to AB. First part, in quadrilateral AROQ, angle ORA is 90 degree, angle OQA is equal to 90 degree, angle A equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle QOR is equal to 360 minus 90 plus 60, which is equal to 360 minus 240. Angle QOR equal to 120 degree. RQ subtends QOR at the center and QPR at the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle QPR is equal to half angle QOR. Angle QPR is equal to half into 120 equal to 60 degree. Sum number 18. In the following figure, PQ and PR are the tangent to the circle with center O. Calculate angle QOR. Joint joint QR. In quadrilateral ORPQ, OQ is perpendicular to PQ. OR is perpendicular to RP. Therefore, angle OQP is equal to 90 degree. Angle ORP equal to 90 degree. Angle QPR equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle QOR is equal to 360 minus into 90 plus 60, which is equal to 360 minus 240. Angle QOR equal to 120 degree. Find angle OQR. In triangle QOR, OQ is equal to OR, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OQR is equal to angle QRO. Let that be equation 1. But all the three angles of triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle OQR plus angle QRO plus 120 equal to 180 degree. Angle OQR plus angle QRO equal to 60 degree. From 2, since both the angles are equal, 2 angle OQR equal to 60 degree. Therefore, angle OQR is equal to 30 degree. Third part, angle QSR. RQ subtends central angle QOR with the center and QSR at the remaining part of the circle. Therefore, angle QSR is equal to half angle QOR, which is equal to half into 120 is equal to 60 degree. Sum number 19. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. AT is the tangent. Calculate the numerical value of x. In triangle OBC, OB is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Therefore, angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. But exterior angle COA is equal to angle OBC plus angle OCB. Exterior angle COA is equal to twice angle OBC. 64 is equal to twice angle OBC. Therefore, angle OBC equal to 32 degree. Now, in triangle ABT, BAT is equal to 90 degree since OA is perpendicular to AT. Angle OBC is equal to angle ABT equal to 30 degree. Therefore, BAT plus angle ABT plus x equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 32 plus x equal to 180 degree. Therefore, x equal to 58 degree.